Hi folks, Sister McMurray here. Welcome to class. I wanted to make a quick screencast. One of your classmates had a question on our week 1 discussion board about what this class is. Readings, discussion boards, quizzes. Yes, our class is all of that. Here's what you need to know. When you come to our class, you click on the top banner and it will bring you here to the announcements page. Read this every time you come. There are a bunch of announcements. They start at the bottom. The first announcement's at the bottom. Read that first. So this is a pre-semester email. If you didn't get it, come here and read it. Here is a list of all the due dates in class. They're right here. Print it off. Check them out. Check them as we go. Here is a post about discussion boards. We have a discussion board due this week. The information is right here. And then here is everything you know about lessons 1 and 2. There's some words. There are a couple videos that walk you through all the assignments that are due. Come and watch it. Up here you've got the different tools that you can use. Mine are a little bit different for the instructor. We've got content, discussion boards, quizzes, assignments, calendar, and your grades, right? So I usually come through and go through content first. If you go through it this way, you will hit everything that you need to do. You come to the welcome page, you go through this. You come to week 1, and then you go through lesson 1 and lesson 2. That way, you'll find all the information that you need. Right here is a good place to start. Orientation to online learning. There is a video there that will teach you about iLearn 3. Okay, that's my suggestions, folks. Welcome to class. When you have questions, each week we have a questions and conversations discussion board. It's right here. It's found at the top of each of the lessons. So when you have questions, come post them there, and I will post my answers. And you guys can post answers too. Thanks. Have a great week.